egg. What do we do with eggs? We boil them and eat, we make omelets, or we make a curry of it. So what are you thinking, like what to do more with eggs? What can I make with eggs when you don't have any type of vegetables at home? So what you're planning with a simple shortest recipe for a night, for a dinner, for a breakfast? Then here's a very best recipe called egg masala. Very quick, very easy, with very less ingredients. We can make one-time curry for best meals. So guys, welcome to Cooking For You, and let's go ahead and check out how to make the egg masala simple curry. Egg masala fry, a very simple and quick recipe. Let's begin with the recipe. Add water to the pot and boil how many eggs you want. Here we are boiling 3 eggs, and after 20 minutes our eggs got boiled. Now peel your eggs and keep them aside. And in another pan, take oil, add mustard seeds, add chopped onions, add splitted green chilies and curry leaves, and give them a mix. And in an other grinder, we are taking coconut powder, we are taking onions, red chili powder, turmeric, fenugreek seeds and salt to taste. We are grinding it and taking out the masala and adding to our onions, and now the chopped boiled eggs we are putting into the pan, and with curry leaves started, simple egg masala fry is ready. So here's the recipe is done. The very simple and quickest and easiest egg masala curry is ready. For better taste, have it with chapati or roti. Thank you.